about to rain on these bitches. Time to get some gas.
Let's go.
Look at your boy Biden's gas prices.
It's $5 again.
Ooh, if you want a massage, please wait. Lift the handle gently. Second knuckle only. If you know what I'm saying.
I know that's right. Who puts that much gas in a can?
I didn't. Well, usually $10 gets me halfway. Motherfucker, damn near $5.50 a gallon. Hopefully that does me enough.
Well, when you only do 4 laps, I guess it's fine.
Exactly. I got exactly what I needed. I can't believe that. Your boy Biden asking an arm and a leg for gas. You crazy motherfucker. They don't want the smoke. Give them that 4 for 4.8, baby. Let's go. The chauffeur today.
No mascara, no service.
Got the essentials. Big bike, little bike. Big bike, little bike. We on. Shit, horse knocking at that barn, dude. About to kick the door wide the f open. I'm about to go. Woo!
No shirt guy? Called the dog piss. What not to do? That's what you should do. Fucking Anthony. Get him, boy.
Jason, look at it all.
Get him, boy. Did he pull off?
How you feeling? What's hurting?
Where's the beer?
Already? You crashed before you even got here.
Somewhere.
Hey, that crashed. Insert clip here.
Ah, it got squirrely. Wet.
Get on film?
Yeah. It's the only reason I did it, for the views.
Here. Ain't nothing a beer can't fix. Devin, there's your sponsorship. You better chill.
ready to drink. This
Damn. Damn. You must be thirsty like a damn camel.
collarbone is hurting.
Let's do it. Push through it. Let's see.
Time to man up.
Hell yeah.
Woo! Come on now. Told you nothing to fear couldn't fix. Motherfucker, but it's so worth it. You can't lose me in climbing, but he'll do it up the track.
Time to go home?
Nah, dude. Feeling the best I ever felt. I actually hit 4 laps in a row. And I'm not drinking beer yet. Coming for you. Watch out. Motocross coming soon. Catch me at the Outdoor Nationals.
Jesus Christ. Drinking beers in the pits.
Whips coming soon.
Doubt it. Go whip out the jet ski. Why don't you bring the Wave Runner?
Now I know why it's called Lake Paris. God damn. Dude, they're watering it again. It's like a damn slip and slide out there probably. Come on, Devin, let's go.
Gotta do it for the moto mom.
That's what I'm saying, dude. I'm tired of it.
Looking pretty clean, dude.
Birthday boy. I want to see you hit 16 whips.
16 whips?
Are you 16?
Yep.
Right?
How are you? You didn't know my age?
That is right, right?
Yeah.
I see.
Stalker, bro.
He's 16.
Yeah.
What? Aiden's 11?
I don't know how old he is.
Is he 11? Oh.
you throw a whip?
Watch me whip.
He's got tight holes. Hit him up.
Hold him up. Hit me up.
Ready to go whip?
Dude, I should make a t-shirt that says I heart motor.
I heard there's a whip contest.
It's going down. Devin's about to get scrubbed up. Let's get it.
Anthony says to scrub you up. What are you gonna say to that?
Motherfucker would. I dare him to ride faster. Anywhere. Street, dirt, sand. Bring it on. Kids these days, they got no respect.
No respect. It's a girl's bike. Should be able to handle it.
I don't know, I'm a little scared.
How many kicks? I'm thinking 3. Never mind. Whoa! Walker grew some hair in a lap. Took him a minute.
Heavy, I'm tired. I don't have game, bro. I don't have no game.
You don't have to have game to eat ass.
Or confidence. I don't have right now. Or money. If I had one of the 3, I'd be good.
God damn, bro. You are struggling.
I am struggling.
What are you ain't getting done? Jesus Christ.
Yeah.
I would have stopped talking a long time ago had I known.
Thank you, finally. about to fall apart. Devin's jank ass.
Getting smoked. Getting smoked by the 50. Uh-oh.
I got arm pumped like a mofo.
Time to go back.
Yeah.
I sure hope so. I had it going good too.
He flew over the bars.
I grabbed the front brake instead of the back. Lane's picking the switcheroo. Yeah.
You know that's right.
Nice!
Jesus.
What the hell was that, dude? You taking the ramp home with you, huh?
I loaded up somehow.
Alright, I know that's right.
That's a new one.
That's a 1 and 2 and 1 right there.
Alright, your turn.
Well, hey, your turn.
Go. Go. No, no, don't help him. No. Everyone feels bad.
Thank you. Woo! Finally, he ain't scared. Whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa!
On my bike.
All right, take 2.
Did I get the ramp? Next time.
Your buddy Biden, thanks, dude.
I guess I gotta get home somehow. Pretty soon we'll be switching to electric. Thanks, Biden. God damn. Oh, sideways. Stay in your lane, Lane. We out here. Woo! How you feeling, Devin?
Man, dirt bikes for sale. Hit me up.
Both bikes, huh?
Yep. Both of them. Both of them.
Shit, don't buy that 110 though. That thing is sketchy. Yeah, 17 grand. Look at that. What? Dude,
Dude, I was like stretching the bag to tie it, it fucking exploded.
You're supposed to eat that.
That sucks.
Look at that. Damn, I didn't know you were that excited.
I guess I'm drunk, bro.
Son of a bitch. It's already everywhere.
Oh my god. You can't make this shit up.
Whoa. Oh,
it takes 2.
oh, no wonder the fender's bent and broke. Yep.
Factory.
He's got it.
Happy birthday, dear Walker.
Texas Ranger.
Happy birthday to you. Oh, yeah.
What pain? How many pills I've taken today?
Are you numb now? Are they smacking?
I'm ready to go ride again.
Free office chair.
Good enough for me. Falls out, falls out.
There you go.